In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use voice speech to text recognition with GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. This is a quick and useful setup that can make prompting faster, especially if you prefer speaking your ideas instead of typing everything by hand. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to talk directly into Copilot chat and have your request converted into text inside Visual Studio Code. To get started, open Visual Studio Code and make sure the GitHub Copilot extension is already installed and active. This is important because the speech feature works alongside Copilot chat, so you'll want to confirm Copilot is ready before moving on. Next, open the extensions view. You can do that by clicking the extensions icon in the left sidebar. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl-Shift-X on Windows or Command-Shift-X on Mac. This opens the marketplace where you can search for additional features and tools. In the search bar at the top of the extensions panel, type VS Code Speech. As the results appear, look for the official extension published by Microsoft. It's a good idea to verify the publisher so you know you're installing the correct extension and not a similar one. Once you find it, click Install and give it a few seconds to finish. The installation is usually very fast. After that, the speech recognition support will be available inside Visual Studio Code. Now, open the GitHub Copilot chat panel from the sidebar. If you prefer, you can also open an inline chat directly in your editor by pressing Control on Windows or Command-I on Mac. Both options work, so you can use whichever style fits your workflow better. When the Copilot chat input box is visible, look for the small microphone icon inside the input area. That microphone is what lets you start voice speech to text recognition. Click the microphone icon, then speak your coding request clearly and naturally. As you talk, Copilot will transcribe your voice into text right inside the chat box. From there, you can review the text, make any quick corrections if needed, and then send the prompt as usual. Speaking clearly and reducing background noise can help improve transcription accuracy. And that's all there is to it. You can now write prompts and code faster using just your voice inside GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more developer tips.